Victoria's flood crisis continues with the community cut off and another on high alert. And as the water recedes in some areas, another ominous problem looms.
Overnight, 3 swollen rivers converged and peaked in Shepparton. While the damage is still being realised, authorities estimate up to 100 homes have been flooded and another 600 isolated. Residents forewarned of the risk.
If my house goes under, Shep will be under, so but I won't be able to get out of here all the same.
Horsham remains on high alert. As residents attended an emergency briefing, the streets outside were sandbagged.
Is be prepared, have a plan, make sure that if you wish to defend your home, that you've got the ability to do so.
In Wangaratta, waterlogged levees are holding for now.
It is a dangerous area. There is still the potential for the levee to collapse.
Those choosing to stay doing so at their own risk.
What's the use? It's a lot of rot how they're carrying on.
As the floodwaters recede in other parts of the state, another problem has surfaced. The Department of Human Services is warning of outbreaks of Ross River fever. Elisa Throden, 10 News.